using Instagram stories effectively. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram stories effectively. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, always use a mix of photo and video content. This keeps your audience engaged and adds variety to your stories. Use interactive stickers like polls, questions, or quizzes. These help boost engagement and make your followers feel involved. Make sure to add captions to your videos. Not everyone watches with sound, so this helps deliver your message clearly. Highlight your best stories by adding them to your profile as highlights. This way, your content stays visible beyond the 24-hour limit. Use relevant hashtags and location tags in your stories to reach a broader audience and improve discoverability. Add music to make your stories more fun and dynamic. You can use Instagram's built-in music library for this. Be consistent with your branding. Use similar colors, fonts, and styles to create a recognizable look for your stories. Promote your posts using stories by sharing them directly. It increases visibility and helps drive more engagement. And lastly, don't overdo it. Posting too many stories in a day can overwhelm your viewers. Keep it interesting but balanced. That's all for the video. Use these simple tips to level up your Instagram stories and keep your audience engaged.